We got all these things we want in a man. A list of things. He gotta be tall, he gotta be dark, he gotta be handsome, he gotta have pretty teeth, he gotta be a family man, he gotta be financially stable, he gotta be rich, he gotta be successful, he gotta be all these things.
Are women the prize? Do we need to break our neck for all these women, even for those that don't deserve it? Let's talk about it.
Wow, nice dude. Zip it, Stanley.
Before we start this video here, I would like to make a quick disclaimer here. First of all, you can take this however you want to take it. And also, you don't have to agree with me, because we live in a free society where everybody has the right to have their truth and to have their own perspective of topics. So if you're a feminist or something like that, no, watch this video, give me constructive criticism, but don't even get in your feelings or anything. I say what I want, as long as I don't disrespect and as long as I don't lie about anything. So the first thing here I want to do and acknowledge is that obviously not every female has this mentality. That's number one. Also, I like to obviously give a shout out to Smone for thinking like that, because a lot of women think otherwise. I don't even blame these women, do you know what I'm saying, for having all these expectations of men. Like as she said, nowadays, since the dawn of time, women, they want so many things in men. Like, he has to be rich, he has to be smart, he has to be funny. Some girls are like, he has to be a little bit of a hood nigga. Like he has to be nice, but not too nice. He has to be this, X, Y, Z. He has to give me that. He has to be extra large down there. There's so many expectations. But really and truly, how can you expect all these things when you are not even half of the things that you want your man to be?
Gotta be all these things. And we ain't even half the things on that list. He gotta be a family man. You might talk to your mama in 6 months, but you want him to be a family man.
If you get what I'm saying. All the things that you expect from him, if you want those expectations to be valid and be taken seriously, you gotta be ready to provide that. I'm not saying you gotta provide that. Obviously a real man will take care of his woman, but you have to have that potential, those qualities that you look for. Do you know what I mean? And society has just been pushing this narrative that guys have to trip over these girls. We have to do this, we have to put them on a pedestal, But what if she don't deserve the pedestal? What if she doesn't deserve the pedestal? All you're doing is inflating her ego when she's probably not even deserving of you. It's so sad because most men, they don't put themselves in a place where they belong. As in, you should be like, raw, I deserve this, I deserve that. The same way women do it, you should be like that. Do you know what I mean? Because most guys here, they get with girls, and they're happy as long as they get asked from the girl, literally. Do you know what I mean? And a bit of hand, going on this, But really and truly, you're bringing more value to her. For a lot of guys. That's the truth. You're providing, do you know what I mean? You're there emotionally. You strive, you do your best. But does she do her best for you? Does she bring something to the table? Like does she bring the financial aspect? Like, can you be sure that I can count on this person? If shit goes left here, can I count on her to back me up just for like, I don't know, 6 months? That this woman can provide a bit, help, support. I'm not asking her to support all the time, but just in the next 6 months, yeah, if shit goes left, can she help me with the household expenses? Most times it's no. Most women don't do shit for the guy. Do you get what I'm saying? I'm not saying all, but a lot of women don't do shit. And you know what's mad? They don't even think that they should do anything for the guy, because that narrative has been pushed on them. You know what I mean? Again, it's not all women that are like that. I know some good women. You know what I mean? Some guys are trash too. A lot of guys are trash too. So, you know, it's just a perspective, innit? But guys are not they don't have that much expectation from a girl. Like from a guy, it's just like, oh, be cute, have a nice personality. Be sexy too, you know what I'm saying? Have them curves, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to hate. But women is so many things that, fam, I got this book here. I write notes and stuff here, my ideas. Fam, a woman, if she really wanted to, she could fill like pages of that.
He's tall, he gotta be dark, he gotta be handsome, he gotta have pretty teeth, he gotta be a family man, he gotta be financially stable, he gotta be rich, he gotta be successful, he gotta be...
I have expectations. But I believe, yeah, as B. Smone said,
all these things. And we ain't even half the things on that list. He gotta be a family man. You ain't talked to your mama in 6 months, but you want him to be a family man. He gotta be financially stable. Your account is in the negative, ma'am. Overdraft fees. He gotta have a job. You need to go fill out some applications, because you're still unemployed. He gotta have pretty teeth. You ain't seen a dentist in 6 years. He gotta have a 6-pack and be in shape. You can't even walk up a flight of stairs without huffing and puffing. Get your life together.
Before you ask these things, yeah, make sure that you are those things you want to your partner. If you want your partner to be loving, make sure that you're proper loving. You want him to be loyal. Obviously, men, I'm not gonna lie with you. We kind of lie. We got loyalty issues. That's not good. Most men need to fix up on that. Anyway. But if you want them to provide, to shower you, be willing to shower them. If you want your man to give you a 100%, no cap, 100%, you have to give them 100% back. You shouldn't just expect him to be everything while you're just chilling. And it's not even about you doing those things. It's about you being willing to do those things. That's the point I'm trying to make you understand. And I believe my philosophy is like a man should take care of his woman, yeah. But a man should only take care of a woman that's deserving of that treatment. Because let's not cap, most of these girls don't deserve all this niceness, all this extra shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, not every girl deserves that. And also, this mentality here, because like society at large believes this, like pushes this narrative of, oh, a man should do this, a man should do that, a man should do that, no. Fair enough, we should, and we strive to be those things, yeah. But this is being ingrained so much that woman is the prize, man should do everything, that man them actually think that girl are better than them, when we're the same. We're supposed to be equal. We're not the same, we're complementary. We're like the yin and the yang. We're supposed to be equal. Do you know what I'm saying? So this is one of the reasons, yeah, why, like, most girls here, fam, they got so many options. Like the ratio of girls that have options, even the dead things, yeah, or the less physically attractive girls here, They got better options. Don't get it twisted, fam. Especially with Instagram and everything, because they have this mindset that raw, like, look at me, I'm Shanice, look at me, you know what I'm saying? Like, he doesn't even deserve me. Do you know what I mean? But at the same time, they want to be the price, but they don't want a guy that think they're the price. Girls will get what I'm saying, because they know deep down they don't want the guy that put them on the pedestal yet. Not straight off the bat like that. A girl she gotta deserve you. That's the way I see it. That's my truth. You know, let me see if I got any other point. Yeah, legit, no cap. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. It was a boy Tenham School, and I'm out.
In your mind. Then, what I did, make a list of the type of woman he would need right by his side. You want him to be in shape? You need to get to the gym. Equally yoked, bitch. You want him to be financially stable? Well, you need to start saving, because you can't keep a dime to your name. Huh? You want him to be a family man? Call your mama. You become a family woman. Heal your traumas before you put all this on him. You want him to be patient. Your patience is thin. You want him to be understanding. You the least understanding person in your circle of friends, but he gotta be understanding. Fix you. Fix you. Whatever you want, become that. He gotta be in shape. You eat chips every day.